discerning drivers will appreciate the 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche. This four-door, five-passenger truck has just over 80,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. All of the following features are included: delay-off headlights, heated steering wheel, turn signal indicator mirrors, a tonneau cover, adjustable pedals, and power seats. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, rear-mounted audio controls, a 30-gigabyte hard drive, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.